Happy Diwali to all. How are you? I hope you're all enjoying your Diwali. Jade plant, also known by the name of lucky plant. The jade plant is a succulent plant with thick leaves and stems. The jade plant survives well in mild climatic conditions. It stores water in its oval-shaped leaves, thick stems, and roots. There are several jade plant's benefits that can make it a well-preferred indoor plant. It is a low-maintenance plant, but sometimes they do have some problems to take care with. Like some of our plants were kept in indoor and most of their leaves have been fallen down. Now one question that comes to our mind is, why are jade leaves falling? Because of insufficient direct light. Your jade plant normally needs a fair amount of direct sunlight, at least 6 hours per day. Try moving it to a window with certain exposure or where it gets bright afternoon light. Now, how do we treat sick jade plants? You just need to cut off all diseased leaves and stems. Even though winter is around the corner and this shouldn't be done, but there was no other option than this. So my mom cut the plants and pruned the plant as much as possible and kept them in direct sunlight. Now another thing is that will jade regrow leaves? You can trim your plant back and place it in brighter light so the new growth is stronger. Stems can be cut just above the node. Jade plants lose some lower leaves naturally as part of the aging process. Those do not grow back. Now let me talk about the fertilizer that is needed for your jade plant to grow properly. And in this time, the best fertilizer for jade plant will be liquid tea and coffee fertilizer and also compost of tea leaves. Now another question comes to our mind is that when to fertilize a jade plant? You can use tea fertilizer compost every 15 days and liquid fertilizer every week. Make sure that in winter jade plants need minimum water, so only check if the topsoil is dry, and if it is, then only water. Another thing is coffee powder also good for jade plant? Yes, jade plants love nitrogen and coffee gives them exactly that. It makes the leaves darker and the stems thicker, so you can give coffee powder instead of tea to your plant. That's all for today, and if you wish to watch other jade plants video, make sure to watch our playlist and other videos as well. I hope if you keep these points in your mind, you'll surely regrow all your leaves back again. I hope your Diwali will go good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.